With the permission of the Honorable Speaker,
What is, yes, please,
just I am going to add
yes,
few words what Kargeji has said.
okay,
I am not going to refer to the audio, whatever it may be.
yes,
In 2009,
yeah,
in Karnataka, first time the Operation Kamala started. Please, I'll request the government,
yes,
this type of Operation Kamala business
okay,
should not happen in the country to save the democracy. One thing. Please,
yes,
resigning today, tomorrow morning take oath by the minister who resigned from Congress or JDS. 10 people, the members of the both side Congress and JDS, resigned. Within 24 hours they were made the ministers. Whatever the money portion, I don't want to say. First time in this country. Please, I may not be here. Save this democracy. I may not be here. You are the senior most member of this house of India, exalted chair. I beg of you, tell the government to bring them measures to amend the constitution to save this situation should not happen. I only 10 people resigning today, morning taking vote. I am so sorry. This practice is not from today. I only sincerely request your good self to take some remedy, ask the government to bring an amendment to the rules and regulations over the election is conducting in this country. This type of thing should not happen.
thank you.